How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. We're back on Reddit. I haven't been on here in a cool minute. Let's just dive right in. Let's skip the whole intro thing. Let's just dive right in. We'll start at number 15. Thought this belongs here. Well, is the whole car cardboard, or is it just a whole cardboard body kit? I've always wanted to like just make some fun shit like that, but I never had that much cardboard. I mean, I don't have, where do you get this much cardboard? I understand if you work at a warehouse or something like that, but honestly, just making something like this, that'd be a good ass video. Comment down below if you want me to make a cardboard body kit for my Mustang GT. I will try my best. But honestly, I mean, this craftsmanship, it's better than most body kits I see on like eBay and stuff like this. Like this lip, look how flat that is. A lot of the eBay kits, they're all bent up and shit. That's so smooth. You got canards, wide body flares. The fitment needs to be a little bit better, but you know, I'm sure this is just a rough draft. Obviously, he's got the eyelash kit as well. It's obviously lady driven. He even has little cardboard fake tacks and shit like that in there, little gauges of cardboard. It's creative. Okay, this is a lot better craftsmanship than I've seen most people put into their cars, so thumbs up right there. Big Wang Gang with no Wang. These are just handlebars. That's all it is. It's just legit to push your car. You grab onto that, and if you need to like move it into the street or move it back, it's just a quick little, or it's a Bowflex. You can use it as like a little workout machine. No, my bad, not a Bowflex. It's like it's a squatting machine. You throw the bar up on there, you throw some weights up on there, you take it off of there, squat, put it back on there. That would actually work fairly well, honestly. I don't think that there's any problem with that, because you'd be able to fit in between there. So yeah, this is Planet Fitness on the go. You see, he's got the purple colors to match Planet Fitness and everything. You throw your bar up there, throw some plates on there, take it off, squat a few times, get some reps in, and then throw it back up on there. Planet Fitness on the go. Thought this would be the place for this. They all seem to say that now. Supreme! Oh my god, Supreme needs to just die out. Like, I know they make clothes and everything, but don't try to match it with cars and stuff. Like, okay, like little spoiler, there's gonna be a roasting video coming up, and some dude just has Supreme stickers in like random areas of his car, and it's not even like a good car, and it just looks so like I'm a high schooler and I know it. I don't know, this just reeks of I'm a high schooler. It just reminds me of something like some high schooler would do. Now this is all in Korean or Japanese up there. I don't speak many Asian languages, so I don't know what it says, but repping the Supreme on the side, that is not so cool. Tried to post this a while back, but got the post removed since my account was less than 2 weeks old. But I believe this belongs here. Everyone believes this belongs here. Everyone keeps saying that. If I were to sum up Craigslist ricers in one picture, it'd be this: just some really tacky paint. People just, you know, look at that fuel door. It's got to be the fuel door. And he's doing the inversion though. It's not a black fuel door that's an orange car. It's an orange fuel door with a black car. This guy's masking like abilities are really shit. I'm sorry. He's got overspray everywhere. I'm starting to think this was hand brushed, because that doesn't look like typical overspray. This looks like straight up he did it by hand. But you know, that's what you would expect. Ford drivers, you know, I'm a Ford driver, but I've never once thought about, you know, paint brushing my car orange and black. But everyone's got their own grind, everyone's got their own schedule and agenda, so props to you, making your car stand out any way possible. I bet it adds 15 horsepower. What is it? Is that a oh no, he straight up has a window fan like in his engine bay. Do you think it actually works? Now I'm assuming his radiator or something broke and he just overheats, it stops. But do you think that actually works? That's got to be illegal. I mean, it must be obstructing his view somewhat. Actually, it might not be. Damn. Ingenuity right there. Redneck ingenuity. You got to do what you got to do. Okay. Wow. That is some impressive shit right there. I'm not even mad, honestly. Like, you know, if you bust your radiator fan and you need a fan, pull it out of your living room, strap it to your car, wire it so it'll take 12 volts, and call it a day. It must move really slow though. Come to think about it, it must really move slow. Does this fitment count? Oh god, no. I hate when I see people do this, when they have their wheels stick out past their fenders with like no flares or anything like that. Like you always see one or the other. Flares with shitty fitment, or fucking super far out fitment with no flares. Where if he had some flares right here, it would look pretty clean. Now again, he probably rubs like a bitch. I'm assuming he rubs all day, all night. Some monster truck looking head ass Mercedes-Benz. Come on, just leave the stock fitment. If your car is stock and your tires are stock and your wheels are stock, because these look like, you know, standard what are those, like 235s up front, if not smaller? They're probably smaller, but this is probably stock tire, stock wheel, just on some spacers. Just this needs to stop. VW Combi Tricycle. Don't know what that means. I don't know if I butchered that either, but I don't care. That's a VW? That is a VW bus turned into one of those like tricycle. Wow, that is ingenuity right there. I wouldn't even call that a shitty car mod. This thing would be fun as hell. You can make so much money like riding around, like, again, I don't know if this is legal in California or like the United States in general, but you know, you ever see those little like tour buses and shit, like riding around like LA and shit, or Hollywood? You can make a lot of money. You could stuff so many people back there. Now this looks like it's militaried out. You know, you got the military helmet right here. You got some camo paint and some little camo mesh in the windows. But honestly, I'm looking at this as a business. And if you were to take this to Hollywood and give people tours around LA and shit, oh, that'd be some good shit right there. I don't know how many people would go for it, but it looks like it'd be fun. When you're a millionaire but always loved Hot Wheels, please don't be a supercar with Hot Wheels. Please don't. Oh, look at that. A supercar looking like a Hot Wheel. What is that? Is that a Huracan? It looks like a Huracan. I could be wrong. I don't know all of my Lamborghinis. I'm not a huge exotic car enthusiast, but it looks like a Huracan to me. Correct me if I'm wrong, though, but I'm hoping it's at least like a wrap. I'm hoping it's a vinyl and it's not permanent. But you know, you see this though. You see exotic cars. You see Lamborghinis wrapped like weird shit. We always see that one Porsche that's wrapped plaid and stuff like that. It's just when you got dumb money like that and you're just going through that. Oh fuck it, I have stupid money. I want to make my car look like a Hot Wheel for a day. You know, and I guarantee this puts a smile on every kid's face that sees it. So it's not that bad. I mean, he's got the money to do it. So fuck it. He's gonna be the guy with the Hot Wheels Lamborghini. Props to you. Like I said, you're just making kids want cars, which is cool. You're getting kids into the car, and you know, you're turning kids into car enthusiasts. They see this and they're just thinking, wow, I want that when I'm older. And they start working hard. You've created a young entrepreneur. Good shit. It's a Toyota Mirage. Oh, please don't be a Toyota Mirage. He's got better fitment than that Mercedes. I'll give him that. And those wheels look like they're a bit better too. I mean, we didn't see the wheels on the Mercedes, but I can just tell by that fitment that they were stock wheels. Oh no, the Mirage. That's not even a chassis mount wing. That's just bolted to the back of your trunk. Now this is the opposite of the Lamborghini guy. This guy's trying to be a rally car, but it's not a rally car. He's got the tow hook, the fart can, the budget chassis mount wing, the stickers going on the side, the weather guards. Of course, you guys always say, why do you hate weather guards? First of all, I don't hate weather guards. It's just one guy told me one time that they were a mod on his car, and ever since then I just feel like everyone that puts them on their car, they feel like it's a mod. And so whenever I see people like this and I see weather guards, I'm like, oh yeah, he thinks that's a modification right there. He thinks that is doing something to his car. I know they're useful and stuff. I actually don't hate them, but I wouldn't use them, but I just don't hate them. But look at this. Full on rally car. I feel like this is that I saw a Corolla hatchback at the Formula Drift event here in Long Beach. I'll throw some clips in. It surprised the shit out of me. It was one bad mamma jamma, but this guy's trying to be that Corolla so bad. I don't know where to start. Mustang donk. Oh no, this is the worst enemy of any crowd. He can get up on the curb. Fine, he's not gonna damage his shit. I mean, yeah, he might, you know, bend the shit out of his wheels, but he can easily get up on the curb. This is the monster truck crowd killer. And look at that. That's just nasty. Look at this arch right here, this parabola of a damn wheel well. This is disgusting. God damn. How big do you think those wheels are? I'm guessing like 28s, okay? When I worked at Chevy for a while, okay, I saw some real nasty like cars like this, okay? We would see Camaros like this every once in a while. You'd get that one Camaro, but we would see it all the time on Silverados, and I would always guess that the wheels were smaller than they looked, and they were always bigger. And I'm guessing these are easily like 26s, easily, if not bigger, because these are huge. Honestly, these are huge. This guy needs some running boards to climb into his damn Mustang. Wow, and it's a V6. Wow, you had to do it to the V6 too. Of course it's a V6. About to leave a store, and look who pulls up. No, the Veyron Tiburon. Oh no, the Veyron Tiburon. Wow, well, actually it's already pretty close. I can't even like butcher it anymore. The Veyron Tiburon, the Bugatti Tiburon, the all new exclusive. Oh no. Look at the rear end, the front end, whatever. It just looks like it's got canards and a paint job. But this rear end, no. Who did this? The Bugatti Hyundai Tiburon Veyron collab. Look at that wing too. This isn't even the Veyron. This is a new one. I don't even know what the new one, the Chiron or whatever the hell it's called. I don't know. They name their shit so crazy that I'm not even interested in like learning it, because I know I'm never gonna be able to buy one anyway. So I just don't care. But wow, that wing. I wish we got a rear. Maybe no. I wish we got a rear of that wing just to see how massive it is, because it straight up just looks like some Home Depot wood, lumber, and metal just thrown together to make this disgusting piece of automobile. Wow. That is by far one of the craziest collabs I've ever seen. Okay, you always see the people turning the MR2s into the Ferraris and Lamborghinis and stuff, but wow. No F words, okay? We're family friendly here. I don't think I've cussed yet. Miata slammed to the floor, cambered out, cut the wheel well, super crazy fitment, making it as low as possible. I'm moving all around the mic. Maybe it's doing something to your headphones. It's probably not, though. I'm probably just sound like a moron. But yeah, no F words given. No fricks given, okay? No fricks at all. Light bar, off-road. Light bar? You're not, we both know you ain't going off-roading. Get the light bar off your Miata. He's got little fog lights down here, too. You're not going off-roading, Miata. You ain't fooling nobody unless this is a crazy lift kit and you go up about 4 feet. You ain't going off-roading. But hey, man, I guarantee he's driving this down the street. He's got a smile on his face. He loves the way it gets attention. Props to you. More power to you, buddy. That poor Stingray. Oh God, no. That's so much fiberglass. That is so much fiberglass. And oh my God. So I've worked with fiberglass before. I've repaired surfboards. I've repaired my bumper or other bumpers. Like, I've worked with fiberglass, and it's the most annoying, disgusting thing ever. You get sticky. It's shitty. And so this is so much fiberglass. At least it looks like fiberglass. This is so much fiberglass. This must just suck, okay? And I could just look at the texture on it, okay? It's hard to smoothen out fiberglass after it dries. You know, you need to usually go fiberglass, then Bondo, and then sand, and then more Bondo, and then filler, and then it's a lot of work. This is just, he pictured it, you know, looking like some sleek ass wide body, you know, Stingray, and it is just not coming out how he wanted it to. I feel bad for him because he cannot go back either. It's permanent. That shit ain't coming off, and if it does, it's leaving a mark. So wow, he just ruined that car. Absolutely ruined it. Feel bad for that car. Last one, Big Wang Gang. Stop spamming me and inviting me to play Xbox, okay? I'm not online, obviously. Big Wang Gang. No way. This is something straight off of like a fighter jet. Downforce for years. That thing isn't even that's just an air brake now. You ain't fooling anybody. That's just an air brake. We know that's a sleeper. We know you need that to slow your ass down. He's got like some twin turbo LSX, 900 horsepower just on the block alone. Twin turbos making it around 1500 easily. LSX on that, what is that, an old Lincoln? Yeah, we all know that's a sleeper. You ain't fooling nobody. If I was a cop and how do you look out your rear view mirror? Yeah, I just realized that too. There's, you know, sometimes, you know, you get a wing and it blocks your rear view mirror. This guy doesn't even have a rear window at that point. I wonder how much that weighs too. It's probably doing more downforce. It's probably doing more downforce just in weight than it is actually like its aerodynamics and shit. So I don't know. I think that Bugatti should have been #1 spot. This is just some typical shit. But that is a really big Wang Gang right there. That is really big Wang. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these posts was your favorite. This week wasn't so bad, okay? I didn't have any posts that really hurt my head, so that's great. I might be streaming later tomorrow, so I don't know why I'd throw that in here now, but I might be streaming eventually. It's just random, so check out my streams when I go live. Hit subscribe, join the flock. Until next video, peace.